Hi, dear children. Very nice to see you. This is Kishore, going to help you with English. Well, it is a regular question to ask you how are you, but I don't want to ask you how are you. I can ask you how you are enjoying, how you are spending time at home. No doubt you are enjoying with the stories, enjoying with the friends, enjoying the beautiful games, enjoying your parents with everyone. And I am going to add you some more color to your entertainment with a beautiful story. Hope you like it. Can I move to the story, children? Well, today I brought you a beautiful story. Tenali Paints a House. You might have heard the name Tenali Ramakrishnan. He is a known poet, known for his wit, known for his humor. Very famous and make a lot of fun. So this story is also going to be a beautiful story and interesting to you. Can I proceed? Well, nice. Look at the board. I have taken the characters of the story. Tenali Paints a House is our lesson name and our story name. Don't say it's a lesson, it is a story. And there are two characters. First character is a hero of the story, Tenali Raman. The second one, King Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Tenali was a poet and he is a king. And what kind of relation do you find between both of them? They are very famous. You know that you might have heard Akbar and Birbal, and in Telugu also you are might have very familiar. You might have heard Tenali Raman and Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Sri Krishna Deva Raya is a king of Vijayanagar, and Tenali works in Sri Krishna Deva Raya kingdom as a poet. And there are 8 poets are there, but what is the specialty of Raman is he is very famous for his wisdom, knowledge, and more than that, he is wit and jester. You can say jester. Jester is nothing but a man who tells jokes and funny things in a short and a fraction of seconds. So right, let me enter into the story. I don't want to trouble you. Let me enter the story. Tenali Paints a House. Once, you know, the king Devaraya used to spend a lot of time in the court listening stories, writing poems, and even interacting all the villagers who ever find trouble in their houses. One fine day, you know, the artist came from other kingdom and he bought some pictures. Out of that, he showed a village piece scene to the king, showing this is a beautiful paint. King was very much impressed. He was pleased. Immediately he ordered courtiers, give him a bag of coal. Immediately the courtiers gave him a bag of coal, and king also requested the artist, my dear artist, could you please stay in our kingdom for a couple of days so that you could draw some more pictures, and it can be very helpful for my kingdom, for my welfare of the people, and my name and fame flourishes with your beautiful paintings. Along with the king, the courtiers, the poets, and all the villagers who are in the court are impressed with the beautiful paintings. But Tenali was not happy. He was not at all happy in his face. And king looked at him. My dear Tenali, what happened? Why you are not happy with the picture? Tenali said, I don't think it is a beautiful picture, my dear king. King was very angry. All the kingdom, entire courtiers, everybody pleased with the beautiful painting, and what happened to you? You must say the reason, or otherwise you are going to deserve punishment. Tenali, he came very close to the king and said, "This painting is very good. The painting is very nice. Beautiful village, beautiful mountains, nice man, and even the cow. But where is the other side of the man? Where is the face of the horse or cow? And where is even the head of the cow?" And king looked at the Tenali and laughed at him. Gigi, my dear fool, how do you think like that? We cannot draw anything, everything on the paint, on the picture. Some we have to imagine, some we can draw. The rest of the thing had to be imagined. Tenali agreed with the king and thought for a few seconds and said, "I am going to be a better painter. I am going to draw better paint than this one." King was not happy at all. He understood the intention of the Tenali. "My dear Tenali, no doubt you are very intelligent, very learned man, very intellectual. Imagine if you are not able to draw a beautiful pictures, you will be in trouble. And I am going to give you a task. I will give you a bag of gold. I am going to give you a title King of Artists and 1 month leave. If you draw half better than this picture what we have seen today." Tenali, he agreed and said, "My dear king, show that I am going to draw a better picture than this painting." He nicely went, spent nicely 1 month, enjoying, spending time with the wife, children, playing, and one fine day, all the courtiers, even king, they gathered in the court and waiting for Tenali. Tenali is not yet arrived, so he has not yet come. Maybe all the courtiers are looking, and other courtiers, they already given information, this man really caught. I am going to see today, he is going to pay a bag of gold to the kingdom. Bag of gold is a penalty. If he win the bet, he will get a bag of gold. If he is losing the bet, definitely he has to pay a bag of gold to the king. Okay? Right. All the courtiers are eagerly waiting. King also waiting. One of the courtiers said, "Courtier, my dear king, I think the day has come. Tenali has not come." Another courtier said, "I think he might have forgot with the busy of his painting. He might have forgot the days and time." Other courtiers, maybe he was afraid to come back. Fourth courtier, they said different versions. Finally, before the lunch of king, Tenali came. How he has come, you know? He has come with the two men. Two men are carrying a kind of canvas. The canvas is a kind of a table or a kind of what do you say? A kind of board, canvas. So it is a board carried by two men. The two men carried and brought the coat, and it was covered with a cloth, covered with a kind of cloth. And as soon as the two men came, they kept the paint there. Tenali, he gestured. Gestured means given a direction to open that board. They opened, and you know what is the picture? This is a picture. The picture is nothing but few strokes. The strokes, okay, like a tail of a horse, like a tail of horse, like this, a tail of horse. And king was very serious. not happy, and looked at the painting. Everybody looked at the painting. King looked at, courtiers, one, two, all the men, villagers, everybody looked at, but no one is happy. And Tenali, he started describing about the picture. Here, a beautiful horse I painted. You know, the horse has a beautiful stars on his head. It is a gold saddle made up of a nice, finest leather saddle on its body. A nice. No, it is a black mare. No, black mare in the sense we can use the word black mare for describing a horse, female one. Horse was grazing in the field, eating very beautiful fresh grass just behind this stroke, can say behind this, outside of this canvas, grazing, okay, a lush green grass. The horse is a beautiful one. It is a magnificent black stallion. Okay, I had drawn this horse because I am very fond of it. King looked at him. What is this picture, my dear Tenali? I cannot see a horse. This is very insulting. You didn't draw any picture and showing it is a horse. Okay? And Tenali said very clearly, my dear king, you are the one who told to imagine. And you know, this stroke is a tail of horse. It was grazing behind the canvas, eating very beautiful lush green grass. And imagine, only there is a tail, behind there is a horse. And king was much impressed and offered him a bag of gold. You, my dear intellectual scholar, you are known for your wisdom. You deserve a bag of gold. You deserve a bag of gold, and definitely I am going to award with the title King of Artists. Okay, so nice, a beautiful story, my dear. Today we have enjoyed. Let us once again revise entire story in a short and simple. And before we discuss something about this story, let us think of some more critical points. The title of the story is Tenali Paints a Horse. There are two characters mainly, Tenali Raman and Sri Krishna Devaraya. There was another artist, okay, and all these are courtiers to describe the wisdom, the court atmosphere, and two scenes are there. How many scenes are there? Two scenes are there, scene 1 and scene 2. When you go to drama, they will find so scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, like that. So this drama is prescribed into two scenes. So first scene, visiting a artist. Second scene, the Tenali paints a horse. So basing on this conversation, we have described entire story in a short and simple. And there are many grammar elements, but before going to grammar elements, let us read out. So let us see story one by one like that. So once again, let me rewind the entire highlights of the story. Okay, if you want, you can draw the highlights. The first one, Raja Sri Krishna Devaraya used to spend in the court listening poems, solving the problems of the villages. One day, an artist visited the kingdom and showed his painting. The painting is a piece of village scene. The king was very much pleased with the painting and gave him a bag of gold and requested him to stay back in the kingdom for a few more days. Tenali was displeased with the painting, saying about other side of the man and even the face of the cow. King called him ignorant and said, everything cannot be painted. we should imagine. Tenali bet, if it is so, I can paint better than this painting. King also bet a bag of gold and offered him a title, Tenali, the king of artists. And the king already knew about Tenali, and he has given more chances, saying, if you would draw a better picture, as good as this painting, half. Courtiers giggled, and they were giggled at him that definitely Tenali is going to lose the bet. A month later, Tenali came with a painting, but it had only a few curved strokes of black on the right hand edge. He said that he had drawn a beautiful horse, a magnificent black stallion, with a white star on the forehead. King got angry and said that there was no horse. Tenali replied that he was one who told to use imagination and see the horse which is grazing outside of the canvas. King appreciated the Tenali and gave him a bag of gold. That's it, and see you in the next class, some grammar elements from the story. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you and have a nice day.